Alright, so got some packages from one of my favorite diesel performance vendors, SPE, for my 2015 F250 6.7 power stroke. I've got a few oil leaks, mostly coming from my secondary pan, and then I've got another one coming from, I say another one, I've got another set of oil leaks coming from my valve covers. I'll tackle those later on, but for right now, we'll do some, we'll change some parts out. And this is a precursor to the video. I'm not gonna be installing any parts today, just kind of doing an unboxing, you know, looking at the quality of everything. So I've already kind of opened this one, and I didn't think about capturing it on video until after I opened it, so my bad. But let's check out the video, check out the quality of it. It's a heavy piece, it's pretty solid. It's their billet aluminum oil pan, SPE. No more silicone, no more thin gasket. It's gonna be a nice O-ring, which a lot of people say that this O-ring, you know, it's hard to put in, but if you follow their instructions, instead of like pulling it tight, you can, you know, kind of push it against itself and it goes in pretty easy. So there's that. See what else is in the box. A nice little sticker. All your hardware, your two plugs, which this big plug right here, you know, excuse the mess in my shop, in my shed. I just got this, so I'm getting stuff situated. But the big plug right here, this is going to be for oil heater, which is optional. You can buy it from SPE oil heater if it's cold enough where you're at and you need it. It's a good option to have. And then this will be for, you know, compound turbos or you know, turbo drain back in general. So it's nice to have, but good recommendation is these two plugs that are in this bag. You take them out, go ahead, put the thread sealant, it's also in the bag, put them on there, get it tightened up, let it sit for a day or two before you know, put it into service, so that way it's good and sealed up. That's what I'm gonna do, so I'll do that off camera. We'll move this over here for the time being. So far I'm really liking that. It's very heavy duty, probably isn't gonna flex as bad as the factory stamped steel oil pan, or I hope not. For as much as it costs, yeah, it better hold up pretty good for a while. I'll just toss that box right there and get the other box. This is the one I'm like super interested in, and give me 1 second, let me set this down. Alright, so go ahead, pull out the old pocket knife. Also, I don't know how many people carry pocket knives, but I've been carrying a case pocket knife for as long as I can remember. Probably one of my favoriteest knives to own. Yeah, that's just weird and off subject. So this is another piece that I've been waiting for SPE to make for a long time. It is the CAT oil filter relocate, you know, oil filter upgrade, whatever you want to call it. take your factory filter from that tiny little oil filter to the Cat 1R 1807. Really good filter. This is also a billet drain plug. That'll go for the oil pan. I'm not sure why it didn't come in that box, but that's that. I bought a few things while I was on their website. Their billet oil fill cap, 16 quarts instead of your factory. I believe it's 13 quarts with the factory pan. So I'm not sure how many oil change places would actually look at this, but it's there, you know, to let them know, hey, 16 quarts, not 13. So put that there. And last piece, which is the really important part. No. That's funny. They sent white mystery airheads and another sticker. That's pretty good. So kind of chuckling at that. Go ahead and open this up. And let's see. This is brand new to the market from SPE. And I say brand new, it's been out for maybe, I don't know, a month or two. Don't quote me on that. But this is their billet Cat oil filter housing. Mounts in the factory location. You don't have to have any dumb little adapter that screws onto your factory one to upsize to the Cat filter threads. One piece billet aluminum, factory type O-ring gasket. So it's really nice. Says it provides up to 30% more flow. So that's a really nice upgrade. Comes with your two plugs. Same situation as the oil pan. Put your thread sealant on, and then you know, let it sit for a day or two so it can seal up real good before putting it in service. Factory ID. This is identical to the factory O-ring. So ever should have a leak, go to Ford, get a new O-ring, and then your mounting hardware. So everything's looking really nice. I am really digging the weight of this. It feels very sturdy, very solid. I hope the, you know, claims that they're making of 30% better flow are true. Yeah, I hope it's really, you know, worth the price. I know the oil filter itself is by far worth the price, but I really hope this holds up like they're saying it is. Yeah, SP did not sponsor this video by any means. I am a believer in their parts. Dan and Amy probably make some of the best 6.7 powerstroke parts there are on the market. They don't make everything that, you know, for 6.7. Like I have a H&S diesel spin-on primary fuel filter under the hood, S&S disaster prevention kit, because I'm still running the CP4, which, you know, cross my fingers, it's holding up good still. I will be eventually upgrading to the S&S just came out with that new fuel pump for it. I can't remember what it is. It's the DCR. I will be upgrading to a DCR in the future. So yeah, but yeah, I'm super excited to get this stuff on. Me and one of my close friends will be installing these parts this weekend, weather permitting and work permitting, because we both work very hectic schedules. So if y'all are interested in seeing the install, I'll be capturing that, doing a time lapse, and you know, put it on the old interwebs, the YouTubes, for everybody to see. And if y'all have any questions, I'll be definitely, you know, documenting the whole process, because, you know, there's a few videos out there, so I'll just add another one to the list that's already on YouTube, because, you know, there can never be too many. So I appreciate y'all's time, and I will let y'all know how it goes.